Hey everyone, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. This is Steve. I'm waiting for breakouts, and I'm just going to do a quick watch list review today. And some things are pumping and some things are taking a breather. Let's have a look at ZNTL first of all, which is having a little bit of a pullback, which is kind of interesting. Oh, okay, good. I like this. Pullbacks on lower volumes are good. I really like this down to 72s on the RSI. Very cool. It hasn't done what everything else has done, which has just exploded endlessly. A little bit of a pullback. Let's set an alarm on the 351 because we could be buying into that. That's awesome. Nice pop and a pullback. This is what we love. Long consolidation and then sudden explosion of volume. 369 on an average and 9 million. So someone dropping a cool 9 mil there. Somebody knows something. And so we'll just keep an eye on ZNTL. Loving that. ALLO. Oh, okay, ALLO. This was a big long pivot point here. The 20 crossing the 200. Or is it the, yeah, 20 crossing the 200s. And a little bit of a pullback. So we'll keep an eye on this one. ALLO is still very interesting. I like pullbacks. I expect it will come to 156 and suddenly transform, but we shall follow this with interest. EDAP, we've been watching this for a while. It's had a bit of a pullback, kind of consolidated a little bit here. Will it go higher? Very interested to know. So keep an eye on that. I'm sure it will, but it may not. It may continue to come down. It may collapse. Nobody knows. I'm not a guru. What do I know? I just kind of watch. I watch and wait for the breakouts. This was kind of a lovely pullback here, right in there. Get in there, son. At 264, and you're looking at, what are you looking at? You're looking at a really nice 60% profit. Fantastic. Get into it. EDAP. That was nice. Was I in EDAP? I can't even remember if I was in EDAP. This is just mental. I put in a little note here by the dip, Stevo. Comtech CML is gone into a bit of a consolidation, low volume. It could pop. It could really pop. Let's see if it pulls back a little bit. But this is still looking very interesting. NEOG, ginormous pop. It's hit that baseline of $9 and looks to be kind of moving further. Again, our classic pivot point and a big pop on earnings. Someone dropping a cool 23 million shares. Okay. Yeah, I mean, not much to see there. 9 times 20, 180 million. Nice. If someone's investing 180 million into a share, do you think they know what they're doing? Possibly. And they'll be looking to make some more than 1% on their investment. So let's keep an eye on NEOG, still very interesting. LPCN is just, the most bonkers trade of all time, or at least last week. And your entry was kind of there on big volume. Kind of had a pullback, but I mean, you can sell out for a 200% return in 2 weeks. Pretty tasty. Yeah, I wasn't in this one. I was too busy making YouTube shorts. But this is still just amazing. Will it have a pullback? Will it go higher? Where will it be in a year's time? Nobody knows. But it's just a really beautiful trade, that one. ARDX. Oh yeah, nice. I like this. Um, I've been watching it since the blue line. I like this. I really like this. That's kind of an entry there. It's showing like, it'll drop a volume on the pullback, which is good. We don't want heavy selling on a pullback, so that means that everyone's getting out of the trade. This is nice. I like this. DRTS. Again, just an absolutely mental buy on the pop. And what have you got? You've got, I mean, even that candle there is a nice entry point. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just over, in 6 days you made 50% profit. Really nice volume cranking up here, very positive signs. That could be an entry on a red candle day for me. That looks really nice. QTRX has just gone a bit mental, hasn't it?